Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to see you all back here again. In today's episode, we are going to defeat more enemies, get through more levels, and learn a lot more. Are you guys ready? Because the adventure starts right now. Now let's see the next one. Cupboards of KitKat. Cups of KitKat. Who knows what horrors lurk in the cupboards of KitKat? Okay, so right now the goal is break open the cupboard under 7 statements. So I do need to put some things right here. So first move to the cupboard. So I do need to move all this way. So I reach right here and I have to attack it multiple times until it gets destroyed. So the first thing is going to be hero move up, of course, to move this way. Now hero, the move right twice because we need to move right here. So let's see, twice. Oh yeah, and remember that it has to be under 7 statements. Be aware of that. Now hero, the move down twice to reach finally the cupboard. Now I need to attack the cupboard again and again. So now let's see if that is going to be enough so we can destroy the cupboard before those monsters arrive. So hero, the attack, cupboard. Now I'm not really sure if the companions that I have selected are really useful in these levels, but who knows. Okay. Right. So it is going to be like this. Let's see if this is going to be enough. Come on. Hurry up. The monsters are coming. Hurry up, hurry up. There we go. Oh, I do see it. What was inside the cupboard was this skeleton. So what we did in that case, we didn't really have to destroy the cupboard, we just needed to open it to free this friendly skeleton. That was a really fun plot twist, and we succeeded under 7 statements, and we destroyed the cupboard. We broke it open. And let's head straight into the next level. Known enemy. Oh, it looks like we're going to unlock somebody else. It looks like we're going to have another companion, known enemy. Okay, using your first variable to achieve victory. Okay, so we are starting to use a new topic. Now, variables is a topic that I already covered in one of my videos where I teach you about things. So in case of you who don't know, and of those of you who haven't watched my videos, variables are something that we can use to store a value, something like a string or a number. It is going to be interesting of how this goes. Now remember again that we are covering things with Python, and in Python we just need to create a variable just like this, and we just put a value in it. We don't really need to specify what kind of variable. Okay, so now hero must survive, defeat 3 ogres. Declare variable like this. When you use quotes CRAT, you are making a string. When you don't use the quotes enemy 1, you are referencing the enemy 1 variable. Yeah, that makes sense. In this case, we just have this, and okay, so it already has some things right here. See exactly what the problem is right here. We're attacking this enemy twice, and this one just once. Now see the enemy 1 is CRAT, and so is this one. The enemy 2 is GERT, which is this one. So I'm going to assume that we need to defeat each of them by attacking them twice each. So we still need to attack this one another time, and also enemy 3, which is Ursa, right here, you see, another time. So, let's see. Again, looking back, remember, the idea is that we need to attack each enemy twice, and the name of each enemy is inside a variable.
Attack. Attack.
There we go.
Attack. And attack.
So yeah, we only have to attack each of them twice, and that was enough. So if I had put only one attack each, it wouldn't have been enough. We wouldn't have been able to survive. And now, since we unlocked some things, I think I'm going to change to a different hero. And on this level, Master of Names, use your new cunning powers to target nameless enemies. So I do need to use the name of an enemy to attack them. So how am I going to attack an enemy without using the name?
Speed reader here.
We have the glasses, which grants the ability to find nearest enemies, so you can target ogres who don't display their names. Okay, so that's how I'm going to be able to target somebody without knowing their names. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. The hero must survive, defeat the 3 ogres. The variable contains information to be referenced later. You can assign a new value to a variable at any time you want. Okay, so I have to see how this is going to go. We are going to use the ability hero.find nearest enemy. And what it is going to do is going to be able to detect the name of the enemy without us actually having to know it. We're going to store the name into a variable, and we're going to use that variable to know what to attack. Now let's see how this goes. So right now we have multiple clues, so assign the result of hero.find nearest enemy into a variable. Enemy 1. Enemy 1 now refers to the nearest enemy. Use the variable to attack. So we do that again. Assign the result of hero.find nearest enemy to the variable enemy 3. So basically, if you look at things this way, this right here is the same as this right here. So what we can do is just copy and paste. These abilities can be sometimes pretty straightforward, but don't get too cocky because the enemy won't show you mercy. There we go. And now making sure that we attack the 3rd enemy. We are all set up. Right here, we catch the name of the nearest enemy and we attack it twice. The same way that we did it in the other one, except now we are using this ability right here. So now let's see if that is going to be enough. That worked. Okay, and we succeeded in all the things. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. We went through 3 levels. We learned a new topic on this game, and we are on our way to finishing this whole game. I hope you guys stick with me throughout the whole thing, because there is so much more to learn and see. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and good night.